Hey guys, Bitcoin is going crazy, and by crazy I mean straight down. Now, question is, how low is Bitcoin actually going to go? Let's check it out. All right, so this is the weekly chart, and we've had about 6 red candles in a row here, just straight down. And so we're in this channel, and we broke below it, and I warned that we could head down to 33,000 most likely, and we went down there and we've actually gone lower. Right now we're at 30,000 pretty much exactly, and we've actually a little bit ago we've dipped below a couple times down to 29,900. So that's pretty crazy. Now we do have strong support at 30,000, and it's holding pretty good so far. And actually the last level of support I would say is 29,000. I put this line here, and that support goes back all the way to January of 2021, like a year and a half ago. So that's going to be really strong support. There's going to be a lot of buy orders, not only at 29,000 but 30,000 as well. 30 to 29,000, tons of buy orders. It's going to be hard to get below that. Of course, it's possible we could break below it. It's always possible. And if we do break 29,000, then we will head down to 20,000 is our next big support. So uh, that'd be pretty crazy. Actually, I would actually love to see that happen, just because being able to buy Bitcoin at 20,000, that'd be insane. And that would just be a great opportunity to accumulate tons of Bitcoin, and the next bull run you would see life-changing gains off that. So if we're lucky, we'll go down to 20,000, but I think it's more likely that we'll hold this support. There's a strong chance we may never break it. I definitely don't think we're just gonna bust right through it. If we do break through it, we'll probably bounce off it a few times first and then break down. So right now I wouldn't be too concerned about going down to 20,000 in the next few days. That's pretty unlikely, but within the next few months it could happen. But there's also a strong case that 29,000 is the absolute bottom, and that could be the lowest we go, and we might just head back up after that. So both cases are pretty good cases, I'd say. Now, I've been talking about this ribbon in a few videos, the weekly ribbon, and actually with this last weekly close, the ribbon did flip. And in some of my other videos, I talked about how this ribbon flipped back in 2018, and that led to another 50% dump. So the ribbon has now flipped, which means we could see another 50% dump. And if we go from $40,000 here where the ribbon flipped, that would bring us right down to $20,000. So that's totally possible. And then if we take this Fibonacci retracement level from the March low up to the all-time high, we see the 61.8 most common retracement level right here at 29,000. So that points to 29,000 could actually be the bottom of this bear market. So I think it's pretty much equally likely that 29,000 could be the bottom and 20,000 could be the bottom. But most important thing to do is just watch this support here at 29,000. I think it's going to hold for now, but if it does break sometime within the next few months, then we will probably head down near 20,000. So right now I actually think it's a great buying opportunity. You know, throughout all this, I didn't buy anything, but now that we are down and we've actually gone right below 30,000, I think this is a great time to start accumulating. Now, I wouldn't sell your house and go all in, because we could definitely be in a bear market for the next 6 months. The next year, this whole year, we could be in a bear market. But I think it's a great time to start accumulating. So I would just buy a little bit now, wait a week, buy a little more, wait a week, buy a little more, just dollar cost average in, and then, in 6 months, you will have accumulated a lot of Bitcoin, and the next bull market, you'll see some nice rewards from that. So definitely a good time to start buying, especially, even if you hold Bitcoin, I would buy more at this level. If you don't own any Bitcoin, then definitely now is a great time to start buying some. And if we do go lower, that's why I'm saying don't go all in, because we could go lower. You want to keep some cash set aside in case we do see these even lower prices, so you can take advantage of that. However, if this is the bottom and we just start going back up, you want to at least take advantage of these prices we have right now too. So that's why dollar cost averaging is, in my opinion, the best strategy. And then if we look at this fear and greed index, it is actually at 10 right now, extreme fear. So last month was 34, last week 27, yesterday 11, and actually 2 days ago it was 18. And now we are down to 10, extreme fear. And for it to get to 10 or lower, that's super rare, and basically it indicates a very good buying opportunity. Whenever there's extreme fear, you want to be buying. When there's extreme greed, you want to be selling. So that's another indicator of a great time to buy. Now right here we've gone up about $500, so you can see there's a lot of support right at 30,000. As soon as there's tons of buy orders at 30,000. As soon as we hit 30,000 or wick right below it, you see a lot of buy orders and the price just shoots back up. So that's why 30,000 strong support all the way down to 29,000. Strong support level. Like hour ago, I saw it when it first wicked below 30,000. Went down to like 29,900 and something for like a few seconds, and then it just shot right back up like $600 because of all the buy orders down there. So we're seeing good support right now. And let's look at the top gainers and losers. So the top gainers, two stable coins, up 0.04% and 0%. So literally everything's down today. Altcoins are getting annihilated. Everything down like 20% or more. We have Terra Luna down 52%, which is crazy. But reason why is because Terra USD, Terra stablecoin, or UST, their stablecoins are supposed to stay at $1, but their stablecoin has dropped to 69 cents. So it's down 30%. So that's why Terra's dropped 50%. Everyone's like, all right, I'm out of here. So I guess their stablecoin is now an unstable coin. And yeah, nobody wants to touch that right now. But when really bad things like this happen and there's huge dumps, that can be a great buying opportunity actually, because if they get this fixed, which they probably will, then Terra Luna can just rebound, and this is just a great opportunity to pick some up. So let's see what this chart's looking like. So in the past day, just way down here, went down to 28, could go lower, but 50% is a pretty big dump. It's actually going up pretty good right now. So yeah, could still go lower though, who knows. So yeah, straight down, this is the all-time chart. So yeah, could be a great opportunity to buy some Terra Luna if you believe in that project. I mean, it's been doing great so far through this bear market, but not so good today. Now, I think this could easily go down to $20. So it could go lower, but could be a good time to pick some up. Let's go back. All right, so yeah. And all these coins are down. Ape coin, $8. Yeah, everything's just way down. So could be a good time to go shopping for your favorite altcoins too. Now, you probably want to play it safe and just stick with the top 100 coins if you're going to buy altcoins, because they have the best chance of surviving a bear market, and they're not going to, some of these tiny coins can just completely disappear. So you might want to stick to the top 100 coins. And if you want to really play it safe, stick to the top 10 coins, because they're the safest. And if you want to really, really play it safe, then just buy Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is going to be for sure around for decades. So yeah, altcoins can give you some bigger gains, but you can't go wrong with Bitcoin. It's going to just keep going up over the next few years and decades. So that's the safest choice, especially in a bear market. Just stick to Bitcoin, or like the top 10 coins. If you want to go a bit riskier, you could dabble in some of these top 100 coins. Bigger risk, but they can also, if you're right, you can get a lot bigger rewards too. So that's up to you, of course. So yeah, we'll see what happens over the next few weeks. I think this support will hold, at least for a while. At some point this year, it may break, but I think our initial touch is going to hold. I don't think we're just going to all the way down from, last week we were at 40,000. I doubt in 1 week we're going from 40,000 to 20,000. It's possible, but it's way more likely we're going to hold above here for now. So great buying opportunity, I think. So I would start accumulating Bitcoin right now and just keep accumulating for the rest of this year. And when the next bull market comes, we're going to see some nice rewards. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you later. Stay positive.